guys, look at what we have here. We have a diamond art club. Yes, that's right, a diamond art club. My friend Debi Rice messaged me on Instagram and was like, I'm sending you something. And I was like, why? Why are you sending me something? Do not send me anything. So she sent me this. And I did not realize she sent me a diamond art club. So this came in the mail and I looked at the box and I was like, I didn't order a diamond art club. What the hell? This must be a mistake. And then I looked at the customs little form and it said Synthea. And I was like, Debi, I knew it was her. I was like, what did you do? So we're going to open up this diamond art club. We're going to use this knife here, knife that, as Abigail would say, this knife here that Debi also sent me previously. So we call it the deli machete for Debi and Melly, because Melly sent these out to a bunch of YouTubers. And then Debi sent me one, so I call it the deli machete. So this, I'm very excited because I was talking to Debi about this one. She's like, this one is so you, but I did not get it. I didn't get it. And then she got it for me because she's a silly lady. Look at this. Synthea by Myka Jelina. It's square. It measures 51 by 81 centimeters. Let's open up this baby. If you are new here and you like diamond painting, you like diamond painting videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on an almost daily basis. I would love it if you join the hive. Just click that red subscribe button. Do it now. Just kidding. Maybe do it after? Do it now. Why not now? What's wrong with now? Hit the subscribe button. So with diamond art clubs, if you've never gotten one before, they do come with this little sticker. Synthea by Myka Jelina. You can use this in your logbook. You can use this on the outside of the box. What I like to do with it is I like to put it on the outside of the box so that I can tell which kit this is when I store them. You also get a toolkit. This toolkit is really awesome. Diamond Art Club has one of my favorite toolkits. You get a bunch of bags. Look at how many baggies you get. You get 2 plates of heart wax, a 4-placer, a squishy, a clear tray, a diamond painting pen, and tweezers if you got a square kit. So that's really helpful. Put that in here. This toolkit is basically everything you need to get started diamond painting, and if you're hearing that noise, it is an air compressor. But this toolkit has everything you need. Like if you're new to diamond painting, you don't have to run out and get all the fancy things. This is actually good enough for diamond painting. Let's take a look at the canvas. I love how Diamond Art Club wraps their canvases in a bag and then they put it in a box and then they ship it to you in another box. So you know you're going to get your canvas safely to you. Okay, I'm trying not to peek. Don't peek, as Christopher would say. With Diamond Art Clubs, you also get this sticker. This whole sheet is a label, but these are also pre-cut. These are really easy. This is the schematic. So when you're kitting up, like if you use plastic containers or baggies even, you can put these labels on each of the plastic containers. Here is a thumbnail. She's so pretty. Peek-a-boo. Oh, I see her knuckle tattoos say peekaboo. I love it. And Debi said she saw a video of someone who did, instead of an orange background, she saw someone who did a purple background. That would look so cute. I don't know who the creator was, but she said she would try and find it. This is so pretty. This is so me too. I love it. I love it. Love it. And again, this is square, measures 51 centimeters by 81 centimeters. You get instructions on how to diamond paint. There's also a code in here if you want to diamond paint. There's also a code in here if you want a discount on your future diamond paintings. And Diamond Art Club, you need to fix this. This needs to be a capital D, capital A, capital C, okay? Okay. Here are the drills. Look at all that orange for the background. Some whites, purples. We'll look at these more closely in a minute. I'm going to roll the canvas backwards. Okay, this should straighten itself out. But look how beautiful she is. I can't fit her all in the frame, but we will do our best to show everything to you guys. Isn't she beautiful? So we have the schematic in the top left here, And then there's also the schematic in the bottom right, which is helpful if you're doing this in sections, or obviously you're going to, but she is very long, very tall. I mean, she's a very tall girl. So here is just information about the canvas. Again, it's licensed by Diamond Art Club, and the artist is Myka Jelina. Here is another. There's a code, take 10 for 10% off your next order. If you have never ordered from Diamond Art Club, I do have a code or a link that you can use in the description box below. Full disclosure, I do get referral points. So I do get points added if you do use my code, but you can save 15% off if you've never ordered from Diamond Art Club. It's a pretty good deal. So here is the schematic. We have, we have 4 ABs. So anything with Diamond Art Club under 150 actually is an Aurora Borealis drill. So I'll show you what those are. They're just special coated drills. So we have 4 of them in this kit. And a total of, why can't I hold it straight? Total of 49 colors. Wow, she's so beautiful. I love like the skull tattoo down here. She's so cute. Okay, let's take a look at the detail in her eyes here. So here's the canvas or the drill field. So you can see how clear it is. With Diamond Art Club, they're really clear. Like, I've never had a problem with any Diamond Art Clubs before not being clear. She's so cute and pretty. I love how her knuckles say peekaboo too. That's really pretty. Okay, so now let's take a look at the drills, and then we'll take a look to see where those ABs go. Sure, let's pull our camera down a bit, and we'll look at those ABs. I'm not going to do a drill train. I never really do a drill train, but I will show you the ABs in this kit. So we have, right away, here's some ABs. This yellow color. You can see this yellow color, 130. And then we have, this is going to be annoying to put back in. Hello, cat. Can I help you? I do not have food. It's a blue color. That is 138. And then we have this green color, 134. You can kind of see it. There's better view. That's really pretty. And then we have one more that we have not seen. Okay guys, I looked for the AB, the last AB, but I cannot literally find it in this mess of drills. If you didn't know, Diamond Art Club sorts their drills in order of quantity, so larger drills to smaller amount of drills, and I just can't find it. I looked for like a while and I can't find it. So I'm just going to show you where that AB goes on the canvas. You'll have to use your imagination. It was 135, which looks like a greenish yellow pukey color for the AB. So these are the colors of the drills that are within the canvas. Was this it? Did I find it? 134. Okay, I thought I found it, but I did not find it. Okay, well, whatever. Just use your imagination for the AB. So those are the colors that are included with this kit. I'm not going to take the drills out because I will have problems putting them back in. I already know. So let's see where these ABs go. Number one. Number one is this yellow. So there's going to be one in her hair. Lots of ones. Oh, one outlining. Basically 130, DMC 130, outlines her entire head. That's crazy. That's a lot of AB. So the one AB outlines her entire head and is sprinkled throughout her hair and her tattoos. 2 is this greenish color, so there's some here. There's lots of 2s throughout her hair. You can see where I'm pointing. And then 3, which is that pukey color. So 3, I found some 3s up here in her hair, more in her hair, and where else is there 3s? There's 3s over here in the headphones, and I don't know where else. Literally, I've been looking for a while. Again, this is the AB that stumps me because I could not find them in the drills, and then I could not find them on the canvas, so we'll just pretend that. Oh, there's some 3s here too. No, those are 2s. What the heck? Oh, there's some 3s here. So they're kind of sprinkled throughout her tattoos and her hair. And then 4, which is that blue color, is the leopard print spots in her tattoos are 4. Here's our 4. There's some 4 in her hair up here. Like this whole blue part is all 4. 4, 4. And yeah, that is basically Synthea. What do you guys think about her? Is she your style? Would you consider getting her? Do you have her? Do you love her? I really like the idea of changing out the background color, but I don't know if I would put that much effort into it because I kind of like it as the orange as it is. Would you change out the background color? Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Again, this is Synthea from Diamond Art Club, and this was a gift to me from Debi Rice, so thank you again, Debbie. I love her. She's like literally perfect. I can't wait to work on her. I am going to take a break from the larger canvases, but she is definitely going to be at the top of my list when I do return to doing bigger canvases. Let me know your thoughts on Synthea down below, and if you're new here and you like diamond painting, you like diamond painting videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button right over here. Just caress it. I post new videos on an almost daily basis, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!